Welcome to HiBuzz News. My name is Suresh Kochata. Billionaire Mukesh Ambani run Reliance Industries Limited retail arm on Thursday raised 9,555 crores from Public Investment Fund of Saudi Arabia, taking the total fundraise in the last 2 months to rupees 47,265 crore. Public Investment Fund will take a 2.04% stake in Reliance Retail Ventures Limited, the Indian firm said in a statement. The investment values Reliance Retail Ventures Limited, the retail arm of Reliance Industries Limited, at a pre-money equity value of 4.587 lakh crore. This is the second investment by the Saudi Arabian sovereign wealth fund in an Ambani firm. It had previously picked up a 2.32% stake in Jio Platforms, the digital and telecom arm of Reliance, for 11,367 crore rupees. This investment will further strengthen PIF's presence in India's dynamic economy and promising retail market segment, the statement said. The transaction is in line with PIF's strategy as a leading global investor with a proven track record of investing in innovative and transformative companies globally and develop strong partnership with leading groups in their respective markets. India's retail sector is one of the largest in the world and accounts for over 10% of the gross domestic product, which presents a meaningful growth potential. Mukesh Ambani, Chairman and Managing Director of Reliance Industries, said, "We at Reliance have a long-standing relation with the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. PIF is at the forefront of the economic transformation of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia." He said he welcomes PIF as a valued partner in Reliance Retail and looks forward to their sustained support and continuance as Reliance continues its ambitious journey to transform India's retail sector for enriching the lives of 1.3 billion Indians and millions of small merchants. Yasir Al Rumayyan, Governor of PIF, said, "We are pleased to be further a trusted partnership with Reliance Industries, the leading player in some of India's most exciting sectors. This transaction demonstrates PIF's commitment to investing and partnering for the long term with innovative businesses around the world that lead and transform their sectors. This investment further demonstrates PIF's commitment to generating returns for the Saudi people and driving the economic diversification of Saudi Arabia," he said. Reliance Retail Limited, a subsidiary of Reliance Retail Ventures Limited, operates India's largest, fastest growing retail business, serving close to 640 million footfalls at its 12,000 stores across the country. Reliance Retail's vision is to galvanize the Indian retail sector through its new commerce strategy, serving millions of customers by empowering millions of micro, small and medium enterprises, the Indian firm said. RRVL had previously raised rupees 37,710 crore from leading global investors including Silver Lake, KKR, General Atlantic, Mubadala, GIC, TPG and the Abu Dhabi Investment Authority. The investments equip Reliance Retail with funds to compete both in offline and online formats. The investments come as the country's retail sector prepares for the festival season and would help Reliance to launch an assault on the rivals such as the Walmart-owned e-commerce company Flipkart and Amazon. Reliance Retail Limited operates India's most profitable retail business, spanning supermarkets, consumer electronics, chain stores, cash and carry wholesale business, fast fashion outlets and online grocery store, JioMart. It operates about 12,000 stores in nearly 7,000 towns across the core categories of grocery, consumer electronics and apparel. The new funding comes weeks after Reliance acquired the retail, wholesale, logistics and warehouse business of Future Group for an enterprise value of 24,173 crore rupees to consolidate its dominant market positioning in the offline retail. The deal, however, is being challenged by the US e-commerce giant Amazon, which had taken a stake in Future's unlisted entity. Earlier, Reliance raised an unprecedented rupees 1.52 lakh crore for Jio Platforms, the group's telecom and digital service company, from investors such as Facebook, Intel and Google. The oil telecom to retail conglomerate intends to divest its minority stakes in the digital and retail businesses and hold initial public offerings for each within 5 years. Retailers are expecting to pick up sales during the current festive season. Reliance Retail in May this year launched JioMart, an e-commerce venture to connect the mom and pop stores called Kirana with consumers. In July, JioMart was serving 4 lakh orders a day, and this is currently operational in 200 Indian cities. Reliance Industries has sold 10.52% stake in the retail unit since September 9th for a total of 47,265 crore rupees. With this, Jio Platforms and Reliance Retail account over 9 lakh crore of Reliance Industries valuation. Thank you for watching.